Welcome to the Health is Wealth channel. Today we are targeting your triceps with 5 effective exercises. Let's get started. So here is exercise 1. Straight bar cable. First off, the straight bar cable, stand facing the cable machine with the bar at chest height. Extend your arms, then bend your elbows to return to the starting position. 3 sets of 12 reps. So this exercise is impactful both for male and female, and both can perform it at the same minute. It actually targets the triceps. Second, barbell skull crusher. Now the barbell skull crusher, lie on a flat bench with the barbell over your chest. Lower the bar towards your forehead, then press upwards, extending your arms. 3 sets of 8 reps. It also targets the tricep. Third, dumbbell tape press. The dumbbell tape press, hold dumbbells over your chest with your arms extended. Lower the dumbbells to your sides, then press upwards, extending your arms. 3 sets of 12 reps. It also mainly targets the triceps. So the bigger and strong triceps. Number 4, dumbbell leg tricep extension. The dumbbell leg tricep extension, lie on a flat bench with dumbbells over your chest. Lower the dumbbells behind your head, then raise them back to the starting position. 3 sets of 12 reps. It also targets mainly the triceps. Tricep dip. Finally, the tricep dip, sit on the edge of a bench with your hands grasping the edge. Move your body by bending your elbows, then straighten your arms to return to the starting position. 3 sets of 12 reps. That's it. You have completed the tricep workout. Remember to stretch and adjust weights according to your fitness level. Subscribe for more health is wealth content.